Yo, it's me again, Kachao. So, for today's video, someone asked me for a guide. So, shout out to Chido. She it she's from 1648. So, she asked me for skill chip guide. So, let's go. So, for skill chip, this is pretty basic. You can't go wrong with this unless you switch to a different main. So it's like for now I am running a tank main. So I am fully invested on my tank. So you can see them at 5 star in every skill chip, while my other skill chip from aircraft and missile are pretty low. So basically no investment or no prior investment. So how can you increase your skill chip star and combat boost? It's pretty simple. First is you need to be active so you can and unlock the your BS chest. So it will give you 10 or 30 for all 9. So you won't get that's it. That's 10. So you need to unlock 9 chests to be able to get 30 premium 30 of this premium chip material. Then the other way to gain the premium chip material will be actually there's I don't think you can buy any premium here. So at the BAB shop there's no chip material here for Alliance. You can buy this drone combat boost and this skill chip chest. What else? For honor points, you can buy skill chip chest, though I don't recommend it because it's a random skill chip chest. So you can uh, you probably have 33.3% to get the right skill chip for your main, whether it's tank, aircraft, or missile, and 25% that it will be the chip you actually need. So what does that mean? So let's say this is the lowest chest. This is the lowest chip level that I have, and I need three or two more for that. So I can guarantee that even though I get the aircraft skill chip, it would be this one, the absolute quantum field for aircraft. Okay, so that's a 25% chance to get that from the 33.3%. So I don't recommend on buying this. Instead of buying this, I'd rather buy or definitely buy the Gear Blueprint or the Gear Blueprint Mythic. So that's for the higher server, since this just been released last week, I think. Yes, last week. So that's it for the honor honor shop. For the campaign, you can buy the basic chip material and then also this one, chip skill chip chest SSR and the regular or the green one. Okay? So this will give you this you have a chance to get an SSR or UR rarity at randomly. So it's still it's buyable and it's basically almost free. So you can buy this every week. And what where else to get this? It's from your AE or whatever you call this. Okay. So for the reward, you need to hit the individual reward for that. Okay. I'm not sure if for the lower level of alliance exercise, you can still unlock the skill skill chip chess SSR. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so for this, I suggest you hoard them and use it during BS Day 1 for your alliance. So where is it? Here. Okay, so you can gain points from opening your chip chest or skill chip chest during day one. So where else you can get the premium material? So it's by opening your skill chip chest. So one more thing, you can also buy uh, the SR skill chip chest from a VIP, but it depends on you. But it costs 8,000 diamonds, and I'm actually not buying that. I'm a free to play, so it's kinda not affordable for me. Okay, so let's try to buy this one and open them all so you can see it much better. Okay, campaign. So, okay. Oh, no. Okay, that's it. So, let's open the chest. So, by the way, as you can see, I only had 7 of these. Okay, so make sure to be active if you want your to get stronger faster than others. For this, I only had 7 for from last week, Monday, last week Tuesday up until today, Monday. So the reason is I haven't participated most of the time on our alliance exercise, so I'm missing this reward. So that's pretty bad for me, but let's move on. So let's open our chest. You can open the chest here. And wait. So as you can see, my current point is just 1,584. And then, voila, it will increase. Okay, and there's a chance that you can get a premium uh, cheap material for every that's for every chest. Okay, so it doesn't matter if it's just green, blue, purple, or the UR. But basically, this is the you will get the UR skill chip. So let's go for the blue. Oh, I got 50. Then let's hope that I get a UR skill chip. I have pretty bad luck on this. Oh, nice! I got 2, but missile, but still, it's fine. So I got this premium chip material 240 for the UR 8 SSR. Sorry, 8 SSR chest. So for the combat boost, you can use this all. By the way, for the Mamiya, I don't suggest using the purple ones since eventually you'll get there. You can get your UR skill chip. So you'll just have to wait. You are there's a huge difference from UR skill chip uh, from SSR skill chip. Okay, so I highly suggest actually to use a UR skill chip. Okay, so how can you how can you actually get the ones that you need? So that's pretty simple. There's a skill chip that uh, actually a choice test. It will help. It will give you the opportunity to choose which skill chip that you actually need. Let's say I am lacking, or I still don't have this absolute quantum field for tank. Okay, then if I got choice test skill chip for from like some events, then I'll definitely choose this, the absolute quantum field for tank. And uh, the easier way is for from this chip lab. So you need to upgrade it up to level 20 so you can craft this. Okay? So you can craft this using this premium chip material. Okay, so for now I'm not crafting this because I'm actually too far from upgrading my skill chip. So I'll just hold on to my premium chip materials until I am able to, you know, upgrade one or two or more skill chip. Okay, so this is where you can uh select the specific skill chip. And for this, you don't need to worry. I just crop them and then use this as food or an XP for my combat boost. Okay, so I will just add it here and then the XP will go up. Okay, so one more thing for unlocking these skill chip tabs, you need to upgrade your combat boost. Okay, so there's a combat boost requirement. So for the fourth one, the combat boost requirement is 450. So that's why, and I'm still at 448. So that's why I haven't unlocked it yet. So for the first one, that's I don't remember what level it requires, and for the second and the third also, I don't remember actually. But eventually you'll get there. But the point for this video is uh what skill chip you should focus on and how will you gain them. So that's basically what I have said before. And uh which to focus, it's actually basically you need to decide first which main are you using. Is it tank, is it aircraft, or is it missile? Okay, so why? So as of now, a few of my friends already know this. I want to switch to aircraft or missile. Okay, so tank mains are in a really disadvantaged spot right now because of Lucius exclusive weapon. Aircraft is uh, I'm at 52M and 48M aircraft can defeat me, can burn me. Okay, so that's why I wanted to change. But since I already invested too much on my tank, skill chip, and then other categories like Wall of Honor and exclusive weapons, as a free to play, it's really hard to switch. Okay, so make sure before you for the early servers or the late servers who haven't unlocked or got their skill chip, make sure to uh, choose your what you call this your main first. If you want a tank, an aircraft, or a missile squad. Okay, so you can focus on their skill chip and not ruin your account. Okay, so that's it for now. So if there's anything you'd like, just or if you have anything that you want to ask, just drop it down at the comment section or message me in the game. And shout out again to Chidu. Shout out. I wish you good fortune in this game. Less stress. So that's it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.